Why?
Sometimes when I get nervous, I take my ermine and I smell it right in its butt. Here's
Can I have Mr. Solomon Trimble?
smell it.
What you doing?
When I get nervous,
Alright, give it a prize here.
smell this butt.
Take it away, Kaylee.
Smell my ermine butt. He smelled it. Ooh. Are you proud as a mom that he did that?